How to ping in Valorant. I will teach you guys on how to ping in Valorant. Please follow my step and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start. Go to settings, go to controls, go to communication, and ping tap, ping will hold is the ping settings. The default button is Z, but the other players is use the middle button on mouse like this, because it's very accessible and easy to communicate with your friends or in-game friends. And the other is you can bind keys in caution, watching here, need support, or on my mark. The four settings here, this is what it's look like. If you hold the ping wheel, this four communication will show up in your screen. If you hold, example, you have enemy here, you will use this caution like that. So I hope you understand my video, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.